Hi guys, this is LRC28. This is our vinyl cleaner. It is a water-based product, so it's completely friendly for you and it's completely friendly for the vinyl item that you're applying it to, and it smells divine. This works on any type of vinyl surface in like planes, trains, boats, marine items, cars, anything at all that has got a vinyl surface, this will work. And it works also on hard plastic trim. And I tell you where it's great for as well, your vinyl motorbike seat. So it's fantastic for that also. It is a very simple process to apply. It is a spray application. You do have this little trigger spray here. As you can see, it is locked. You would almost break it trying to press that in. This little lever here, press that left or right like so your finger can come through, and that will allow the trigger spray to then work and put the fluid through the spray head. So as I say, it's got this divine aroma to it, which is absolutely amazing. And it is water-based, it is ultra safe, it is environmentally friendly because it is water-based. So it's perfectly safe for all types of vinyl items, whether that's on your boat, in your plane, in your car, or an item you have at home, or some vinyl type of shoes. So it is fantastic for removing the most ingrained dirt that you can get on vinyl. You would spray it on the surface and then agitate over with a brush and then just wipe away the excess with a towel. It's as simple and as easy as that. And it will remove the most stubborn stains on your vinyl items, even if they've been on there for many years. That is LRC28 Vinyl Cleaner. It is an amazing product with the most amazing smell. Hop on over to the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com.